This recipe makes moist, delicious banana and chocolate chip muffins, and it's my go-to recipe. To start with, let me give you a tips. If you coat your chocolate chips with some flour, they won't sink to the bottom. Now on the rest of the flour, put your dry ingredients, salt, baking powder and baking soda, and then mash your bananas. The riper the better. Now it's time to prepare the wet mixture. For that, I'm beating egg and sugar. Once that's done, it's time to add flavoring, for which I have chosen vanilla extract, and then mashed bananas goes in. Now it's time to add some oil, which will make these muffins really moist. It's time to add wet to the dry or dry to the wet, and then give it a quick mix, but do not over mix. Finally, we are adding the chocolate chips, loads of it, so that they are distributed all over. Now they will go on the muffin tins. I like to put around 2/3, that will be enough, and top it up with some extra chocolate chips. When they are done, don't forget to do the toothpick test. The inside is moist and full of chocolate chips. Find the full written recipe with tips on my website, boobliesworldcuisine.com.